In this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on TikTok. For this, open the TikTok app on your phone. You will land on main screen showing you For You feed. Now tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile, and this will take you to your personal TikTok profile where you can see your videos, followers and more. Now look at the top right corner of your profile screen and you will see three lines which are often called as menu or hamburger. So go ahead and click on it, and from the menu that appear, click on settings and privacy, and this is where you manage most of your TikTok preferences. And once you're inside the settings, start scrolling down until you reach the display section. Now click on display to open the options for light and dark mode. Now you will see this option of dark mode, and it might be set to light mode by default. To switch to dark mode, simply tap on dark option and watch as your screen transforms. The background will turn dark, making it easier on your eyes, and if you ever want to switch back to light mode, just follow the same steps and choose the light option. And that's all you need to do to activate dark mode on TikTok.